I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to dispute a charge on your Capital One account using the online app, follow these steps to get it done quickly. Step 1. Open the Capital One app. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the src.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Find the transaction. Navigate to the Accounts section and select the account with the charge you want to dispute. Scroll through your recent transactions to locate the specific charge. Step 3. Select the charge. Tap on the charge you wish to dispute. This will bring up the transaction details, where you can view more information about it. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Look for the Dispute Charge button within the transaction details. Click on it and follow the prompts to provide the necessary information regarding your dispute. Step 5. Review and submit. After entering all required information, review your dispute request for accuracy. Once everything looks good, submit your dispute. You should receive a confirmation message shortly after. If you missed the Dispute Charge button, it might be hidden under additional options, so be sure to check there. Good luck with your dispute, and I hope this helps you resolve the issue.